Hi, dear students. I am Sir Raju and welcome to the Learnville classes. I hope everyone will be fine and let's learn to about rational number. We have already studied about natural numbers, integers numbers, whole numbers and fraction. We we shall recall here and extend our ideas, our knowledge to the rational number. Rational number. The definition of rational number: the numbers of form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0 are called rational number. The numbers of form p upon q and where p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0 are called रेशनल नंबर। इसका मतलब हुआ कि वैसी संख्या जो p बटे q के रूप में प्रदर्शित होती हो, जहां p और q एक पूर्णांक हो, जहां p और q पूर्णांक संख्या हो, q नॉट इक्वल टू 0। इसका मतलब हुआ हर कभी भी 0 ना हो, वो ऐसी सभी संख्या रेशनल नंबर कहलाएगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3/7 where 3 and 7 are integers numbers and q not is equal to 0. 3 and 7 are integers but q not is equal to 0. Denominator is not 0. So this is rational number. Integer what it also called numerator and its denominator. लेकिन आप लोग के दिमाग में एक सवाल आता होगा, क्या 7 only 7 is rational number? Yes, 7 is rational number when it upon 1। जब इसके नीचे हम एक संख्या डालते हैं, मतलब कि जब हम डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ संख्या लिखते हैं, तो अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर में 1 लिखे तो ये 7 and 1 are integers and q not is equal to 0, so 7 is the rational number. If you have a question about 7/0, when any denominator where is 0 is not a rational number, because it divides 7 and it quotients is equal to 0 and undefined. So that rational number is only whose where p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0. That is called rational number. I hope you understand. We have studied about natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, etc. are called natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, etc. are called natural numbers. Then whole numbers. We have also about the a study about the whole numbers. Whole numbers, all natural numbers together with zero. All natural number together with zero are called whole numbers. Is that zero? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, etc. are called whole numbers. Whole numbers means all natural numbers together with zero. All natural numbers together with zero are called whole numbers. Is that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, etc. are called whole numbers. Clearly, every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number, but 0 is a whole number. But 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. It means counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. and etc. are also called whole numbers. Also called whole numbers, but 0 is a whole number. But 0 is a whole number. Whole numbers, number which is not a natural number. A natural number. इसका मतलब हुआ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 etc. are called natural number and whole numbers, but together with zero. And 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. If counting is start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is called natural number, but it is also called a whole number. But 0 is called only whole numbers. And start with 0 and counting start with 0 is called only whole numbers, not a natural numbers. Is it clear? Okay. Exercise 4a. Question number first. What are rational numbers? Give example of 5 positive and 5 negative rational numbers. Is there any rational numbers which is neither positive or nor negative? Name it. इस प्रश्न में बताया जा रहा है कि रेशनल नंबर क्या है. रेशनल नंबर क्या है? Solution is the numbers which is form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers. Integers are called rational number. Rational numbers. बताया जा रहा है कि संख्या जो p बटे q के रूप में प्रदर्शित होती हो, संख्या जो p बटे q के रूप में प्रदर्शित होती हो, जहां p और q पूर्णांक हो, इंटेजर्स हो, एंड बट q नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो, बट q नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो इज आर कॉल्ड रेशनल नंबर। जहाँ q मतलब डिनोमिनेटर जो है जीरो ना हो, तो वैसी सभी संख्या जो p बटे q के रूप में हो, जो p अपॉन q के रूप में हो, p अपॉन q के रूप में हो, बट q नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो, मतलब कि जो इसका डिनोमिनेटर है वो जीरो नहीं होनी चाहिए। क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए? जीरो नहीं होनी चाहिए। वैसी सभी संख्या रेशनल नंबर होती है, सच एज 7/3। 3 इज नॉट जीरो, सो 7/3 is rational number, and 7 and 3 are also called integers number. And next, give example of 5 positive and 5 negative rational number. 5 positive rational number. 5 positive rational numbers is 2/3, 3/4, 4/5, 5/6 and 7/8 is are called positive rational number, because there is no minus sign is there, and q not equal to 0. q not equal to 0, it means denominator is not 0. Denominator is what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8 etc. So that 5 positive rational number is 2/3, 3/4, 4/5, 5/6, 7/8 are called positive rational number. And 5 negative rational number, and 5 negative rational number. 5 negative rational number -2/3, -3/4, -4/5, 5/4 and 7/9. These are also called negative rational number. This rational number is called negative rational number. And is there any rational number which is neither positive or not negative? यहाँ बताया जा रहा है कि कोई ऐसी परिमेय संख्या है, कोई ऐसी रेशनल नंबर है जो ना तो पॉजिटिव है और ना ही निगेटिव है। तो यस लिखना है यहाँ, एस 0 इज a rational number which is not positive and nor negative. 0 जो है एक ऐसा रेशनल नंबर है जो ना तो पॉजिटिव है और ना ही निगेटिव है। इज दैट 0 upon 2, 0 upon 1, etc. are rational number because it have q not is equal to 0. Q not is equal to 0. It means denominator is not 0. Denominator is what? 2 and 1. 0 upon 2 is a rational number. 0 upon 2 is rational number. 0 upon 1 is rational number, but it is not positive or nor negative. It is neither positive or nor negative. So is it clear? Okay. Question number 2. Exercise 4A. Question number 2. Which of the following are rational numbers? इनमें से कौन रेशनल नंबर है? 5 upon minus 8. Is it rational number? Yes, it is rational number, but it is negative rational number. Negative rational number. Rational number. But you have write down as negative rational number, and note that q naught is equal to 0. Q naught is equal to 0 because q is minus 8. It is not 0. So that 5 upon minus 8 is rational number. So that 5 upon minus 8 is rational number because my q is equal to minus 8. It is not a 0. So 5 upon minus 8 is rational number. Similarly, minus 6 upon 11, it is also a rational number. It is negative rational number. And q naught is equal to 0. What is q? Q is equal to 11, which is not 0. So minus 6 upon 11 is a rational number. 7 upon 15, yes, it is rational number, but it is positive rational number. But it is positive rational number. It is positive rational number, and q naught is equal to 0. Q is what? Q is 15, and 7 upon 15 is a positive rational number where q naught is equal to 0. Similarly, minus 8 upon minus 12, when sign is cancel and get its sign will be changed in positive form. So 8 upon 12 as it is rational number, but it is positive rational number. But it is positive rational number. Q not is equal to 0. Similarly, 6 is a rational number. 6 is, yes, it is rational number because 6 upon 1 is a rational number, is a positive rational number. Positive rational number. Positive rational number. Minus 3, yes, it is also a rational number because minus 3 upon 1 is a negative rational number. Negative rational number. Rational number. 0 is a rational number. Yes, 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. It is not, it is neither positive or nor negative. 0 is neither positive and nor negative. 0 upon 1, yes, yes, it is it is a rational number. Rational number. And 9, 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0, no, it is not a rational number. Rational number, because q not is equal to 0 is called a rational number, but q is what? 0. Where q is 0, where denominator is 0, there is no and undefined the rational number, undefined. So 1 upon 0, 1 upon 0 is undefined. It is not a rational number because its denominator is 0. And 0 upon 0, no, it is not a rational number. It is not a rational number because q not is equal to 0, but q is here, q is 0. So that 0 upon 0 is not a rational number. It is undefined. So the conclusion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are rational number, but 9 and 10 are not rational number. Is it clear? Are you get it?